CoreStrength is promoted as a natural joint support supplement made with plant-based ingredients and minerals. According to its website, the formula is designed to support joint function by targeting underlying issues such as calcium buildup and inflammation. The product claims that with consistent use, users may experience smoother movement, reduced stiffness, and better overall joint health. The marketing also emphasizes that the supplement is gentle on the body while still being powerful enough to improve mobility and quality of life. Another point highlighted on the sales page is that the product is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, which is meant to give buyers confidence in its quality and production standards. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about some important concerns and warning signs that people should be aware of before purchasing a supplement like CoreStrength. One major red flag is the way some advertisements reference well-known doctors or medical experts. The promotions may mention respected researchers or medical personalities to build credibility, but there is no verified evidence showing that those individuals are actually connected to the product. This type of marketing tactic can easily mislead viewers into believing the supplement has professional medical backing when that may not be the case. Another concern is what many people describe as a bait-and-switch style advertisement. Some promotional videos claim they will reveal a natural secret recipe that can repair joints or reduce pain. However, instead of sharing that information, the video eventually redirects viewers to a page encouraging them to buy the supplement. This approach can feel misleading because the content promises educational health advice but ends up being a sales pitch. The marketing also includes very strong health claims. Some ads suggest that the supplement can rebuild damaged joints, reverse arthritis, or eliminate joint pain quickly. These types of dramatic results are not supported by widely accepted medical research. While certain ingredients may support general joint health, supplements are not known to instantly cure chronic conditions like arthritis. Another issue involves the statistics shown in some promotions. Claims such as extremely high success rates or large clinical trials involving thousands of participants are sometimes mentioned. However, there are usually no clear scientific studies or reliable sources provided to confirm those numbers. Without proper evidence, these statistics should be viewed with caution. Customer testimonials on the website can also raise questions. The product page often displays a large number of 5-star reviews with generic names and similar wording. There is little proof that these reviews come from real verified customers, which makes it difficult to know how genuine the feedback actually is. High-pressure sales tactics are another common element found on the product page. You may notice countdown timers, limited-time discounts, or messages saying that only a few bottles are left in stock. These strategies are designed to create urgency so that buyers make a quick decision without taking enough time to research the product. At the end of the day, supplements may sometimes help support general health, but they are not miracle cures. If you are dealing with serious or long-term joint pain, the safest step is to speak with a qualified healthcare professional. Taking time to research a product, check independent reviews, and verify claims can help you avoid falling for misleading marketing and make a smarter decision about your health.